Your smartphone. You use it to call your family, to mail your friends, to surf the internet, to make pictures, and now you can do science with it because there's iSPEX. iSPEX is a special add-on for your smartphone. With the add-on, you can measure fine dust in our atmosphere. Fine dust is emitted by traffic and industry. You can't see it, but with iSPEX you can detect it. This is how it works. Slide iSPEX over the camera of your smartphone and start the iSPEX app. Aim iSPEX towards blue sky. iSPEX will measure a spectrum of sunlight scattered by fine dust. The scattered light is polarized. iSPEX measures this polarization as well. Repeat the measurement in several directions. The measured spectrum, polarization, and the direction of measurement together contain important information about fine dust. This is the amount of fine dust, how fine it is, and what kind of material it's made of, such as soot or desert sand. The iSPEX app records the location of your measurement as well as the direction. On the same day, thousands of iSPEX investigators and professional measure stations will also perform measurements. The iSPEX app sends all the observations to a central database. From this database, measurements from all over the country are analyzed. The final result, a unique map of fine dust over your country. But why is this so interesting? First, fine dust is harmful to your health. The potential health risks can be visualized by an iSPEX map of fine dust. It can provide information about the origin of the dust and where it can be expected later on as it blows with the wind. Secondly, volcanic ash clouds pose a threat to air traffic. Right now, such ash clouds are hard to detect, and because of that, flights are simply cancelled when an eruption occurs. Finally, fine dust also affects our climate. It reflects sunlight and influences the formation of clouds. Exactly how this works is poorly understood. In the near future, this will be investigated from space, using a SPEX space instrument currently under development in the Netherlands. iSPEX was conceived from this development. Measurements by SPEX and iSPEX will help us understand how we people affect our own climate. Using the same technique as in iSPEX, Dutch scientists study fine dust in the atmospheres of planets in the solar system. And the largest telescopes in the world are now providing the first glimpse of planetary atmospheres around other stars. The Holy Grail is finding a planet with an atmosphere like the air we breathe. Your iSPEX measurements of our Earth atmosphere may serve as a reference for future comparisons. iSPEX was fully developed in the Netherlands. With iSPEX, you can now use your smartphone for scientific investigations for the very first time. iSPEX will start out with a massive project in the Netherlands. Join the project and participate in 2013 in the first iSPEX national measurement campaign. Check out ispex.nl for more information.